In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate pages on Wix Studio. If you want to reuse an existing page layout without building everything from scratch again, duplicating a page in Wix Studio is a quick and practical way to do it. This is especially helpful when you want to keep the same design, structure, or sections, and then customize the copy for a different purpose. To begin, open your site in the Studio editor. Make sure you are inside the correct project before making changes, so you are duplicating the page in the right website. Once your site is open, go to the top left corner of the Wix Studio editor and click Pages, which is the page icon. This opens your site structure, where you can view all of the pages currently included in your website. Take a moment to look through the list and find the page you want to copy. When you've located the correct page, hover over its name. You'll see a three-dot icon appear, which opens the More Options menu. Click those three dots to access additional settings for that page. From the drop-down menu, select Duplicate. Wix Studio will immediately create a copy of that page for you. In most cases, the duplicated version will appear directly below the original page in the list, and it will usually be named something like Copy of, followed by the original page title. This helps you identify that it's a new duplicate and not the original. After that, it's a good idea to rename the copied page right away, so your site stays organized. Hover over the duplicated page, click the three dots again, and choose Rename. Then enter a clear and descriptive title that matches the purpose of the new page. This is especially useful if you are working with multiple similar pages, because it makes your page list easier to manage and reduces confusion later. As a quick tip, choose a name that tells you exactly what the page is for, rather than leaving the default copy name in place. That can save time when you come back to edit your site in the future. And that's it. Thanks for watching.